Hi, if you're in Nigerian and you have not seen this before, then you are missing a lot. Do you know that you can make 750,000 naira monthly selling just one product? And the good thing about this product you're going to sell just pressing your phone, using your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, and your Twitter. Have you gone through the training that will tell you everything you need to know about how to sell online? One single product that will make you 750,000 naira monthly. I will show you in this video a full package training that will take you by the hands and bring you to the level where you earn 750,000 naira, even beyond in this 2022, just every month recurrent income. If you want to know how to do this business, how to promote this one particular product, I want you to click the link below, and then I will see you inside. I will show you everything, every evidence, every video that you need that will help to make you 750,000 naira. If you doubt me, click the link below, join me, and I will show you everything step by step. If you did not get it, you can jump out. But I bet you will thank me after this. 750K is not a child's play. Click the link below now, and I will see you inside.